So this model kit review is of the Red Squadron X-Wing Starfighter from Star Wars, from Rogue One, and this is a model by Bandai Models, and you actually get two here of the same kit. They just have two different scales. One is 1/72 and one is 1/44 scale, and the wings will open and close. Some pictures and details there, and the size. So you do get both there, and I guess they just downscaled it. And there's the side view. So let's have a look inside. Lots of things inside this box here, and looks like stickers or decals. I always prefer decals because they don't protrude as much, but you certainly can do those if you want to. So that probably belongs with that, and that probably belongs with that. Let's start with the small one. This is the 1/44 scale one. So there are our stickers. Probably not going to use any of those. And this is for 1/72 scale, it says. That's interesting. I guess that is for that one then. So we have some very nicely molded parts with great level of detail. All that detail you can see on our engines. That really is very nicely molded, very crisp and clean, and looks like we have two of the same there. Now we'll look at the other one here. So here we have a stand, and some of the parts molded into black. And there is our canopy, and we've got the wings. So this is still the 1/72 scale. It tells you there, and these wings are going to get glued on there. Here is our pilot, and I'm not sure why we have a figure there, but all very nicely molded, great level of detail, just absolutely crisp and clean. Okay, now on to these ones here. Now this is probably still part of our 1/72 scale, as you can see there. Here's our fuselage. We've got some glass that's molded in, and there's our canopy, and look at that quality. That's just amazing. We've got some red parts here, almost so that you don't even have to paint it. And there are the decals. Lots of decals here. Lots and lots of decals. And over here we have, this must be the 1/44 scale version. And there we've got the base, and we've got our wings and fuselage and guns. Still amazing quality and level of detail there. Engines. So not as many parts as the 1/72 scale, but that's fine. Now let's have a look at our instructions. So here we go. There's the parts listing. And let's see here. Okay, so we start off with our wings, and this looks like this must be our 1/72nd scale. Yeah. Wings, engines are put on, and then the other side. And once we finished with that, we then put our wings together there at the bottom, and we start on our fuselage. That's then mounted onto our, wings are mounted onto the fuselage with our pilot there. So lots of parts there to go on. Wow, tremendous amount of detail. And finally our guns on. And over here, put the final few parts about how to put the base together. And you can have the landing skids up or down. Here's our 1/44 scale Starfighter, and put all that together, and then onto the fuselage with the wings and the guns. So here is our painting and decal guide. So here are the decals for the 1/44 scale. And here's the color guide. And here's the 1/72nd scale. As you can tell, just an absolutely tremendous amount of detail. Look at all those little decals. So that is phenomenal. That's a great kit, and I expected, because it's Bandai, that it's just going to go together perfectly.